The mystery of Pluto. This is our solar system. Before 2006, there were 9 planets in the solar system. This is our solar system now. After 2006, now we have 8 planets. So where is the last planet? Where is the 9th planet of the solar system? Where is Pluto? This is Pluto. But where is it now? Does it extinct? Or does it disappear? Or it exploded? In 1930, a scientist named Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto. He called Pluto the 9th planet of the solar system, beyond the Neptune. Astronomers discovered many objects. These objects are part of a region called the Kuiper Belt. Some of them are quite large and similar to Pluto. Scientists began asking, if Pluto is a planet, should these other Pluto-like objects also be called planets? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, established new definition of a planet. A planet must orbit around the Sun. Means it must revolve around the Sun. It must have enough gravity to become approximately round, as all the planets are round in shape. It must have cleared most other objects from its orbital neighborhood. Now, what does it mean? Let's understand this. This is our planet, Earth. There are no objects around the Earth, gravitationally dominant in its orbital region. This is Pluto. Whereas Pluto shares its region with many other icy objects in the Kuiper Belt. So we can say, it is not gravitationally dominant. So Pluto orbits around the Sun and has a round shape. But it doesn't meet the third requirement. Therefore, scientists called Pluto as dwarf planet, which means very small compared to others. So Pluto doesn't disappear, neither extinct, nor exploded. It is just named as dwarf planet. Therefore, after 2006, we have 8 planets instead of 9. But where is Pluto now? It is still orbiting around the Sun and is 5.9 billion kilometers away from the Sun. In 2015, New Horizons spacecraft of NASA was sent to Pluto. It sent back the first detailed close-up images of Pluto. So we still have Pluto in our solar system. But we don't call it planet. We call it dwarf planet.